What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play Intense Defense in NBA 2K26. Intense Defense basically helps your player get into a low defensive stance instead of standing straight up. This makes it easier to stay in front of your opponent and cut off drives. I use it all the time cause it really improves your on-ball defense. To do this, it's super simple. Just hold down L2 on PlayStation or LT on Xbox while you are on defense. That's your Intense Defense button. Keep it held whenever you are guarding someone closely. If your opponent starts to sprint away, you can let go for a second to run and catch up, then hold it again once you are back in position. You can also hold your right stick up while pressing L2 or LT to keep your hands up and contest shots. It's a great way to stay active defensively and force bad shots or turnovers. So again, just remember, hold L2 or LT to stay in your stance and use the right stick to keep your hands up. Practice it a few times and it will become second nature, and that's how you play Intense Defense in NBA 2K26. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.